Hi, welcome to our English class. In the previous class, we discussed simple present tense and its uses. Now, in this video, we are going to know how to frame negative sentences in this present continuous tense and how to frame questions along with their answers. Okay, let me remember the structure of this present continuous tense is subject plus is or am or are with V1 plus ing form. So this is the structure of the present continuous tense. Now we are going to know how to write negative sentences. For framing negative sentences, just we have to add not between helping verb and the ing form verb, V1 plus ing form. Okay, now we can write subject plus is or am or are plus not plus V1 plus ing form. V1 plus ing form. So this is the structure of negative sentences for present continuous tense. Okay, let me write some sentences. I am teaching English. I am teaching English grammar at present. So this is the adverb of time. And what is the verb here? Find out the verb first. So I am teaching, this is the verb. Somebody says that am is the verb and somebody says teaching is the verb. No, it's not correct. Am teaching is the verb in this sentence. So how can we frame negative sentence for this? As I have told you, add not not between am and teaching. I mean between helping verb and this teaching. Okay, participle, this teaching, you have to add not not. Then it will become I am not teaching English grammar. I am not teaching English grammar at present. Okay, I am not teaching English grammar at present. This is the negative sentence for the above sentence. So I am not teaching. Correct. Now how can we frame question from this sentence? So while framing question, we have to take the helping verb or auxiliary verb to the beginning of the sentence. Then you have to write subject. Like this you can write am I not teaching English grammar at present. Okay, this is the question. Come on, let me read it. Am I not teaching English grammar at present? Right. Next, you can add WH words for framing WH questions. Come on, I am adding why. Why am I not teaching? Why am I not teaching English grammar at present? So this is the WH question. Why am I not teaching English grammar? This is WH question. Question word question. Okay, like this we can write negative sentences and questions and answers. Now how do we answer these questions? Okay. Here question is, am I not teaching English grammar at present? I am teaching now. So that's why my answer will be yes, I am. Yes, I am. This is the answer for this question. This is the answer for this question. You need not write the complete answer for the questions beginning with helping verb or auxiliary verb. But the question, why am I not teaching English grammar at present? You have to give complete answer for that question. Okay. So this is the question and how we answer for that question. Okay, next we can move to the next question. We can move to the next question. So subject plus is or am or plus not plus V1 plus ing form, that will be the negative sentence in this present continuous tense. Second sentence, now I am writing, he is operating computer. He is operating computer now. So this is the sentence. He is operating computer now. Identify the verb is operating. Just you have to add not not between the helping verb and the participle. Okay. Is operating. Then it will become he is, add not. He is not operating. He is not operating computer now. This is the negative sentence for this. Now let us try to write negative sentence for this. Okay, we completed writing negative sentence. Now we are going to frame the question. For question form, you have to bring this helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. Is, then write the subject. Is he, okay? Is he not operating? Is he not operating computer now? Is he not operating computer now? So this is the question. But what will be the answer for this question? Just you have to write. If it is yes, write yes, or it is no, write no. Like this, no, no. What is the subject? He. No, he isn't. No, he isn't, or no, he is not. If he operates really, then it will be the answer yes, he is. You need not write the complete answer, okay? Don't write. So this is the answer for that question. But if you want to frame WH word question, you can add why is he not operating computer now? Why is he not operating computer now? Well, like that you can write WH questions. Okay, next one. Next sentence. Students are bringing gifts for teachers now. Students are bringing gifts for teachers now. Identify the verb are bringing. Why do I use are here? As the subject is plural, it takes only plural verb. Students are bringing gifts for teachers now. So let me write negative sentence. Just add not not between are and bringing. Then it will become students are not bringing gifts for teachers now. Students are not bringing gifts for teachers now. Next, try to frame question from this. Identify the helping verb. Bring it to the beginning of the sentence. Then it will be are students not bringing gifts to the teachers, bringing gifts for teachers now. So this is the question, and the answer will be yes. What will be the answer? Students. This is the plural subject. Then instead of this subject students, we have to write yes they are. We have to write the pronoun instead of students. Yes they are. Okay, like this we can write answer for this, and then you can write WH question for this also. Why are students not bringing gifts for their teachers now? So that is the question for this sentence. Okay, this is how we have to write questions, okay, negatives and answers for questions. Next one. Teachers are attending school. Teachers are attending school early at present. Okay, this is the sentence. Teachers are attending early at present. So here let me write question for this, and then we can go to write negative sentence. So teachers are, okay, teachers are, come on, bring this ARER, the helping verb, to the beginning of the sentence. Are teachers attending early at present? This is the question. The question begins with helping verb. Then the answer will be single word answers. So yes. Then what should you write? Teachers is the plural. Instead of teacher, you have to write a pronoun. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. If the answer is no, then no. No, they are not. No, they are not. So this is the answer for that question. Next, try to write negative sentence. Negative sentence for this one. Write negative sentence for this one. Okay. Just you have to add not not between are and attending. So teachers are not attending. Teachers are not attending early at present. Teachers are not attending early at present. So this is the negative sentence for this. Okay, then how can you frame question from this? Come on, bring this helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. Then it will be are teachers not attending? Are teachers not attending early at present? Then you can add WH word for this question. Why are teachers not attending early at present? So this is the question. Okay, let me remember you that for the questions beginning with helping verbs, you need not write complete answer. Yes, they are. Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Like that you have to give answers for those questions that beginning with helping verbs. But the questions beginning with WH words, you have to write complete answer. Okay? Come on. Next sentence we see. I am teaching English grammar. I am teaching English grammar. I am teaching English grammar at present. I am teaching English grammar at present. Then how can we write question for this? Am is the helping verb. Come on, bring it to the beginning of the sentence. Am I teaching English grammar? Am I teaching English grammar at present? This is the question. Why am I teaching English grammar at present? So this is the WH question. For this question, am I teaching English grammar? Yes. But what is the subject here? I. We should use am after it. Yes, I am. This is the answer for this. If I am not teaching English grammar, then answer will be no. I am not. I amn't. Like this, we can write the answer for this question. Okay. Next, you can write some more WH word questions from this. Okay. Where am I teaching? Where am I teaching English grammar? Where am I teaching English grammar? So this is the WH word question for that sentence. Okay. This is how we have to frame negative sentences, questions and answers for the questions in present continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense. Okay, next one. Children are enjoying movies during this pandemic time. So this is the sentence. Children are enjoying movies during this pandemic time. Identify the verb. Are enjoying is the verb here. Just add not between are and enjoying. Then it will become negative sentence. Before that, I am going to write a question for this. Bring this helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. Are children. Okay. Are children enjoying movies during this pandemic time? This is the question. If it is yes, then you can write yes. Then what should we write here? What is the pronoun that we have to use here? Children. It is the plural noun that you have to write. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. You need not write the complete answer for this question. Yes, they are. Next, you can write negative sentence for this. Okay, children are not enjoying movies during this pandemic time. So this is the negative sentence for that. But how can you write a question for this? Are children not enjoying movies during this pandemic time? This is the question. And you can write WH question. Why are children not enjoying movies this pandemic time? This is WH question. So this is how we have to frame negative sentences and questions and answers for those questions. Okay, now we can take some sentences for the homework. Okay, you can write the answer and okay, you can write the answer in the chat box. Okay, now I am giving you the work. First one, brothers are walking in the same style now. So this is the question, this is the sentence you have to write. First you have to write question for this and you have to write the answer for this. Next you have to write negative sentence, then question from the negative sentence and answer for the negative sentence, and then you have to write WH question. You have to write for this single sentence 5 answers. Number 1, first answer must be, okay, first answer must be question. This is positive question. Next one, okay, answer for this positive question. Answer for this positive question. Next one, negative sentence. Next, question for negative sentence. Okay, next one, answer for negative sentence. Next one, WH word question for this. So these all you have to write for this single sentence. Okay, that is the first sentence. Next sentence I am writing for homework. For each sentence you have to write 5 answers. Okay, next sentence, people are spending more money after pandemic. Okay, this is the sentence for homework. Okay, next one, third sentence. Workers are taking rest at present. So this is the third sentence. Next one, teachers are spending their own money for the students now. So this is the fourth sentence. And the last and fifth sentence is, I am leaving the class now. So this is the fifth sentence. So these are the 5 sentences. We have to write answers for them. Okay, this is the homework for this present continuous tense. Okay, you have to write first question for this positive question. Okay, next answer for the positive question. Next, write negative sentence for this sentence and then frame negative question and write negative answer for the negative question, and finally you have to write WH word question for all these sentences. Okay, so this is the homework. Okay, now before answering all the questions you have to first remember what is the structure of the sentence and what is the structure of the negative sentence. Okay, so this is how we can prepare negative sentences and questions and answers for those questions. Okay, so with this we end present continuous tense teaching. Okay, so I request you to write answers for these sentences in the chat box. Okay, thank you.